Hello friends, this is Mila Neha Jinsu. If you have burnt your scalp or damaged your hair by bleach, then this video is for you. To make this mask, I'm using 4 ripe bananas and then mashing it up. Bananas have antimicrobial properties that can heal flaky and dry scalp, relieving dandruff by making hair stronger and thicker. After I have mashed the bananas, then I will add 2 tablespoons of yogurt in the mask because it has inherent cooling and anti-inflammatory properties. Then I have added around 1 tablespoon of black seed oil because it will help seal moisture in individual hair shaft and it has pain killing properties too. After mixing all these ingredients, we have a mask looking like this. So the backstory to this video is that I got my scalp burned by the root touch-up. I got it done from a famous salon here. Though my hair look fine in the camera, but upon touching it feels like grass, especially the top part of my head, and my scalp is completely burnt. It has been 2 days since I got the root touch-up done, but my scalp keeps on hurting. I have applied lots of serum onto my hair to combat dryness, but it's not working, I think, because my hair are very rough upon touching it. So I'm going to use this mask to soothe my scalp and nourish my hair after this chemical treatment I had. Firstly, I'm applying some black seed oil directly onto my scalp because of the dryness. I'm afraid that the thick mask won't spread well. So now I'm trying to apply the mask onto my scalp, but because my scalp is burnt, this movement on my head has started to hurt. So I'm taking some of the mask and directly applying it onto my hair. I'm trying to seep the mask into my scalp by rubbing it gently onto my hair like this. Now I'm not some hair expert, I'm just showing you what works for me. Now I am massaging once I believe that most of the mask has been absorbed by my hair. The mask feels so cooling and soothing onto my scalp in a situation like this. So I'm making sure the mask is absorbed by my scalp by gently massaging it. This method is not irritating my scalp too. I'm going to do my entire head like this. Just make sure to do it at a place where you don't mind cleaning it afterwards, as it can get a little messy. So now that you have an idea on how I'm applying the mask on my hair, I have fast forwarded the video, but you can always slow it down from the button on your screens. I have finished applying the mask onto my hair, scalp, and that's how it looks. I will wash my hair after 2 hours and will be back. So this is me after 3 hours of washing and air drying my hair. My hair looks shinier and its curly texture is back. My scalp feels so much better now. The pain is almost gone. My hair are silkier and feel less like grass than before. So, this is the mask that I always use after some chemical treatments, and I will suggest you to try it out at least once. It's really good for your hair. Trust me. Bye bye.